So with the talk of what exhaust to buy, I thought I'd do a quick little video and show you guys what my exhaust sounds like. It's 3-inch all the way to the back. I think this is a 3-inch tip on a Megan Racing exhaust can muffler. And I also have fingers in the way of the camera. I recently did headers, up pipe, and install, so change the sound a bit. It's definitely a bit louder now. It's got a pretty good rumble. It's not too cold here today, so it's not a horrible cold start. I'm gonna let it run for a second before I rev it up. So yeah, not super loud. It's pretty throaty with the headers it got. Just kind of, I don't know how to explain it. Kind of sounds nastier, and I dig it. So that's that. Don't have anyone around, so I can't stand at the back of the car and rev it. Sorry.